Remember when cars used to last 200,000 miles with basic maintenance? Well, that era may be fading fast. Despite all the high tech features, flashy screens, and futuristic gadgets, a growing number of drivers are asking, are modern cars even built to last anymore? Or are we being sold over engineered junk with a ticking time bomb under the hood? Today I'm diving deep into the rising wave of vehicle reliability scandals, stories of broken promises, class action lawsuits, and frustrated owners left footing the bill for problems that should have never existed in the first place. I'll look at real world data from Consumer Reports and JD Power, name names, and expose how some automakers are failing to deliver on the one thing every car buyer deserves: long-term dependability. But first, if you're thinking about buying a new car this year, hold up. Before you head to the dealership, make sure you grab my new car buying guide. It's a step-by-step practical guide I put together after reviewing hundreds of vehicles and seeing what actually works for buyers in the real world. Inside, I walk you through how to choose the right car, inspect it at the dealership, avoid financing traps, and negotiate with confidence. It's simple and straight to the point. If this guide helps you save even $500 at the dealership, it's already paid for itself. You can download it now by clicking the link in the description below. Let's start with some of the most infamous cases that shattered trust. Hyundai Kia engine fires. Over 3 million vehicles recalled due to engine failures and fire risks. Lawsuits claimed the company delayed action, putting lives at risk. Chevy Bolt battery fires. GM was forced to recall every single Bolt EV due to defective batteries that could spontaneously ignite, even while parked. Toyota oil consumption issues. In models like the Camry and Corolla, some engines were guzzling oil like crazy before 100,000 miles. Owners were left arguing with dealerships about repairs that should have been covered. CVT failures. Nissan and Honda, for example. Modern CVTs promised fuel efficiency, but thousands of owners have faced sudden transmission failures before 70,000 miles. Replacement costs up to $5,000 and often out of pocket. These aren't isolated incidents. They're industry-wide red flags. Now, don't just take my word for it. Look at the numbers. According to JD Power's 2024 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, reported problems per 100 vehicles have risen for the third year in a row, with infotainment systems, advanced safety tech, and battery issues leading the pack. Consumer Reports also flagged several popular models for poor long-term reliability, with owners reporting electrical issues, powertrain failures, and costly out-of-warranty repairs within the first few years. Even brands like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, long known for luxury, rank below average in reliability due to overcomplicated tech and high maintenance costs. So while cars are becoming smarter, they're also becoming more vulnerable. Here's the part that really pisses people off. Automakers often deny, deflect, or delay when it comes to taking responsibility. In the case of Hyundai and Kia, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration accused the brands of slow-walking recalls. GM's handling of the Bolt battery scandal included a confusing string of partial fixes before finally committing to full replacements. Nissan and Honda offered extended warranties for CVT failures, but many owners were told their issues didn't qualify. The strategy seems clear: delay action long enough that customers give up or pay out of pocket. Meanwhile, brand reputations take a hit, but the balance sheet stays safe. So how can you protect yourself from buying a modern lemon? Start with research. Use long-term reliability ratings from Consumer Reports, JD Power, and even owner forums on Reddit and Facebook. Avoid first-year models. I know I'm saying that. Let someone else be the beta tester for that new engine or infotainment system. Check the warranty. Some brands offer 10-year powertrain coverage like Hyundai and Kia, but read the fine print. I know this might be hard, but don't trust the badge. Reputation means less than ever when it comes to actual reliability. Just because it's a Toyota or a BMW doesn't mean it's bulletproof anymore. And if the dealer can't give you straight answers about known issues, walk away. I'll say it, modern cars may be smarter, but many are also less reliable, more expensive to repair, and loaded with unproven tech. The big question: are automakers prioritizing innovation over durability? Are they testing these vehicles enough before pushing them onto us? Or are we the ones doing the real testing after we've already signed the loan papers? I'd love to hear from you. Have you had reliability issues with a newer car? Drop your story in the comments and let's get a real conversation going there. And before you buy your next car, new or used, visit quotes.everymandriver.com. You can search Dealer pricing in your area from qualified dealerships. It's 100% free, used by thousands of people every day. Make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand the zip code. Be willing to travel a little bit outside your area. You could save hundreds, possibly thousands of dollars by first going to quotes.everymandriver.com.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.